Hello everyone and welcome to TNB Academy. In this session, we will dive into ISO 22716, a vital standard specifically designed for the cosmetics industry. ISO 22716 provides comprehensive guidelines on good manufacturing practices, also known as GMP. These guidelines are focused on the production, control, storage, and shipment of cosmetic products, ensuring that manufacturers meet the highest standards of safety and quality. Today, we will take a closer look at why ISO 22716 is essential, the scope it covers, and how it helps businesses align with international quality and safety regulations. Importance of ISO 22716. The cosmetic industry plays a crucial role in people's daily lives, offering products that enhance beauty, care, and well-being. However, with the rising demand for cosmetic products comes a responsibility to ensure that these products are safe for consumer use. ISO 22716 is designed to help manufacturers achieve this by providing a structured framework for maintaining good manufacturing practices. This standard is globally recognized and is important for businesses that export or import cosmetic products. It ensures that your products meet the quality and safety expectations of different regulatory bodies across various countries. Complying with ISO 22716 not only builds trust with consumers but also opens doors for international trade, helping companies expand their market reach. Scope of ISO 22716. Now, let's look at the scope of ISO 22716. The standard is comprehensive and covers the following key aspects of cosmetic production. Personnel. One of the key aspects of ISO 22716 is ensuring that the workforce is properly trained and qualified. Employees handling cosmetic products must follow strict hygiene practices to prevent contamination. This includes everything from wearing proper protective clothing to regular health checkups. Personnel should also be trained to handle equipment and materials safely and effectively. Premises and equipment. The design, layout, and maintenance of the production areas play a critical role in preventing contamination. ISO 22716 emphasizes that premises should be maintained in a clean and orderly manner, and the equipment used in production must be regularly cleaned and calibrated to ensure consistency in product quality. Raw materials. Managing raw materials effectively is vital in cosmetic production. ISO 22716 lays down guidelines on how to receive, store, and handle raw materials to ensure they meet the necessary quality standards. Proper documentation and traceability of all materials used in production are essential for ensuring transparency and safety. Production. The production process must be closely monitored to minimize the risk of cross-contamination and errors. ISO 22716 recommends detailed procedures to ensure that each batch is produced under controlled conditions, with strict quality control checks at various stages of the process. Finished products. After production, cosmetic products must be inspected to ensure they meet the required specifications before they are released to the market. This involves thorough testing and quality checks to verify the product's safety, stability, and effectiveness. Storage and distribution. Storing and distributing finished products under the right conditions is critical to maintaining their integrity. ISO 22716 provides guidelines on appropriate storage methods to prevent contamination or degradation of products during transportation and warehousing. Proper labeling, handling, and documentation are also part of this process. Complaints and recalls. ISO 22716 establishes procedures for managing consumer complaints and product recalls. If a product fails to meet safety standards or quality expectations, a robust system must be in place to identify the issue and take corrective action. This includes tracing the batch, investigating the cause, and initiating recalls if necessary. In conclusion, ISO 22716 is more than just a set of guidelines. It is a comprehensive framework that helps cosmetic manufacturers maintain product safety, ensure regulatory compliance, and build consumer trust. Whether you are a small business or a multinational company, adhering to ISO 22716 can enhance your operational efficiency and elevate your brand's reputation. Thank you for joining us in this detailed introduction to ISO 22716. Stay tuned for our next session. And if you have any questions, please feel free to ask. And if you have found value in our videos, please do subscribe to our channel and share it with your professional colleagues. Till then, thank you.